Let's face it, the career landscape is changing, and the managers who'll be successful need to understand 7 evolving realities and know how to respond to each in flexible, new, fluid ways to achieve results. The first reality is that it's a whole new kind of dance. Employees need to own their own careers, but needing to and actually doing it are two different things. Increasingly, many employees express anxiety about actually pulling that off. And so effective leaders need to improvise a new kind of dance, driven by what the employee knows and is confident in, temporarily taking the lead and then handing it back seamlessly when the employee is ready. Since it's a new kind of dance, we really need, as managers, to be ready to let the employee take the lead. The second evolving reality is that we bring the work person home and the home person to work. And so we need to really look at people as whole people. Development is part of our life for a lifetime, at work and outside of it. Development that just focuses on the work part of the human being really misses the mark. Instead, leaders today need to take a step back and explore what success means. What are the passions and interests of the whole person? What's discovered reveals meaningful clues and really taps into the full potential a person has to offer, both within and outside of the workplace. A third evolving reality is that one size just doesn't fit all. And as a result, we've got to personalize. This is and will continue to be the most diverse workforce ever experienced. If we can get burgers our way and genes that fit the unique contours of our bodies, then it follows that something as important and personal as career development really needs to be tailored to the unique preferences of individuals. What's the right kind of challenge and at what level? What are the conditions, the when, the where, the how, the with whom, that make the challenge the most effective and enjoyable, all at the same time? Another evolving reality is who knows what tomorrow is going to bring. So as leaders, we need to really facilitate career fluidity. When it comes to career development and planning, 5-year plans may no longer fit the mark. Career development today is about scenario planning, contingency planning, parallel processing, and putting lots of eggs into different baskets in a way that ensures the kind of fluidity and flexibility required in today's dynamic workplace. Another evolving reality has to do with the fact that necessity is indeed the mother of invention. And there's no template for development today. The structure's not going to save you, so we need to invent creative options. We need to bring innovation and creativity to the process. The need for personalization and fluidity demands new innovative ways of thinking about opportunities, focusing on what's possible instead of what's not. Lattices and ladders provide structure and help, but they aren't the whole answer. To make it work, we've got to be willing to forge new and very individualized paths and steps for employees. Another reality no one's going to argue with is that there are only 24 hours in a day, period. So making career development a habit is the only way to fit it in. No wonder there never seems to be enough time for development. Because if managers think of it as an add-on to an already overflowing plate, it's going to continue to get less attention than it deserves. Those who make it a part of their frame of reference and day-to-day agenda are the ones who'll win and whose employees